Hi, I'm Blair Jersey from NexoSolution. Today we will see how to use the NexoPOS hooks and why that could be useful for those willing to extend NexoPOS. This video is made for the developers, so I assume that you have some knowledge in JavaScript and PHP. Having used Codeinator, WordPress, and a bit Laravel will be useful as well. So what are the hooks? The hooks are basically a programming concept that allow you to decouple various components of your app that interact each other thanks to the event and filters. This definition might not be exactly what you're familiar with, but it actually helps to make the application extensible. You should refer to the documentation on WordPress to understand the hook principle. On NexoPOS, the hooks API is available under the object this event, the property of Tendo module class. So let's talk about creating a module. Creating a module is one of the first steps to extend NexoPOS, but the understanding of the hooks makes the customization more complete, as it allows you to perform an action or mutate a value while something happens within the application. For example, when an order is being placed. We won't cover here how to create a module, as there is a very detailed video that already covered that. Instead, I'll show you how to change the behavior of the application from your custom module. Searching for hooks. In order to extend the app, you need to know the existing hooks, events, or filters. Most of the hooks are available under a file named file.txt and action.txt. All of these files are available within the Nexo directory on the modules. So what is actually an action hook? The action hook lets you listen to an event and perform an action related to that event. For example, by deleting an order, your module could notify the administrator by sending an email. What is the filter hook? The filter let you mutate a value, change the output. For instance, you would like to change the brand of NexoPOS available on the login page, so your filter can then mutate this value to have any other different value. Usually you can explore the code and search for a hook by using the word add actions and add filters. So you should do that on the directory that you want to customize. If you would like, for example, to customize the order process by recording custom payment, in case you have custom payment gateway, you can search for both methods of this event object on the following file: application/module/nexo-checkout.php. You can also check the thread application/module/nexo/inc/threads/orders.php that has various methods related to placing order on NexoPOS. Most of the time, you will see that the application doesn't have every hooks for all the situation. In such case, you can suggest a hook that we can integrate in the core so that no matter the update, your module will still have the capacity to extend the application. We will take a look at your NexoPOS repository on GitHub with the commit of the hook that you would like us to integrate. But not all hooks will be approved, especially if we believe that the hook is not useful or if there is another hook that is almost similar. You should get in touch with us via email or via our community and WhatsApp if you want us to take a look at your modification. So let's have a practical case of listening for custom payment means. In this example, we'll assume that you have a custom payment defined. I'll show you how to do that. Then you need now, each time that an order is paid, to listen to the other payments and take a special action if a specific payment means is used. So let's get started by prototyping a module quickly. Alright, now let me add a custom payment main. You should note that for mutating default configuration available within application/module/nexo/inc/config/nexo.php, you need to use the object this config item provided by Code-igniter. So in our module, we will perform this right after NexoPOS has loaded his configuration. For that, we need to use the action after _app _init. So after app init, basically. With a priority of 30 so that NexoPOS hooks will run first. Now let's verify that the custom payments appear on the post as available payment means. Okay. Alright, as you can see, we have it here. Now we need to that listen every time that an order is paid. While there is not a hook that monitors every single payment, we can still use the filter after submit order to perform this action. What we'll be doing here is to retrieve the order payments and check whether they match our custom payment mean using the model Nexo order model. And what we will do once we got a match is to notify the administrator via the notification API system that a custom payment has been used. But obviously you can use it to do any other action like sending email or interacting with a custom payment gateway through the API. So I will take a look at the dashboard and see whether we have any notification that mention that we have been using a custom payment mean. Alright, so here is that. Okay, so that's basically all you need to know about the hooks. So if you have any question, if there is something that hasn't been clear on this video, you can comment this video and we'll try to help you out. So thank you.